I remember standing right here when this land was a bare land with nothing coming up, and right then I told you, trust the process. These renders, these layouts are going to come to life, and today the day has come where I'm going to unveil to you the show house of this project. It's yet to be completed in September 2027, but currently you can be able to benefit from the finishes. And that's not all. By the end of this video, I want to take you through to something that the developer is doing, but not now here in Westlands, but in Kilimani, a very new concept that is going to change the investment world. So before I take you to the show house, this developer has also done another project just right here at Modangari Drive, consisting of 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms. Unfortunately, the 2 bedrooms are sold out. The good thing about that project, it has a mall setup. And another thing that I wanted to highlight is they are coming up with a new concept just in Kilimani of serviced apartments. So before I tell you more about that, I want to take you to the show house first. This right here is a 1-bedroom apartment, 74 square meters of space. We also have another size of the 69 square meters of space. Unfortunately, it's already sold out. But in terms of the show house, we're going to be showing you this 1-bedroom and also a show house for the 2 bedrooms. So I want you to be keen in terms of the finishes, because much about this project, it's almost sold out, as I've told you. We have few units remaining, and I just want you to get how the developer has been very keen in terms of finishes, so that you can always look out even for their next projects. And for those who want to be part of this, this is the right time to come in. So right here where I am, this is the living space, and if you can look at it, for a 1-bedroom, this space is so big enough, okay? So you're able to have your couch space over here, and you have your TV panel on this side. I want you to take a look at the tiling, so you can see the size of the tiling. So meaning this is quality in terms of the finishing that this developer has considered. On this end, you're going to get your balcony space. So currently this unit faces the inside part, so meaning in terms of even lighting, you're able to get enough lighting from this side, and on this balcony side you're able to get views from this side and on this side on higher floors. So meaning even if you check this unit, it doesn't mean that you'll have a blocked view. And the good thing about it is the doors, as the sliding doors, are actually noise cancellation. So you see, as I've closed, there's no more noise, as you can hear. And the good thing for this 1-bedroom, it's very good for investment if you look at it, because you can easily fetch upwards of 100 to 110,000 from this specific unit. One unique design is from most of the units that you've been showcasing. The bedroom, when you're talking about a 1-bedroom, the 1-bedroom leads directly to the kitchen. But for this one, they've ensured the kitchen is tucked away very separately. And on this end, you're able to have a dining space where you can have up to 6-seater if you prefer. But here we have designed a 4-seater. And on this other side, you can be able to have your closet where you can have your glasses, you can have your wine cellar, just as it has been staged here. So it is a perfect combination when you look at a 1-bedroom. So also look at the lighting. So we're going to be having this drop down lights, so you can look at the lighting fixtures that are being offered, meaning that even if you choose this unit, you're going to be enjoying these particular lighting fixtures. Besides this one will be a standard one. They're just going to give you a standard one, but you can be able to customize it the way you prefer. So I want to take you to the kitchen space, because I've told you this is a unique concept. You move from the living room to the kitchen in most apartments, but here you'll be coming to the dining, and then come right here where you'll be meeting your kitchen. So the kitchen is actually just adjacent from the entrance, where you have your shoe rack place over here. You can have your keys, coat, you name it, on this side, and then you come onto this side where you have your kitchen space. Look at that space for a 1-bedroom unit. You have storage units from this side and on the other side, both top and bottom. They have this unique lighting LED feature over here that lights up on your kitchen space. So you have a small kitchen counter over here and an additional kitchen counter on this other side. So this one will be your sink area where you can be doing your washing. It comes with this sink feature over here. You have a double sink, and then on this other side is where you'll be provided with your 4-burner cooker and an hood extractor that comes with the unit. Of course, you also have a space where you can be able to have your microwave and also the oven that comes with the unit. On this side, for this 1 bedroom, again, space is being considered. You also have a laundry space onto this side. So you have all this balcony space for doing your laundry. You can have your washing machine. They've already put features where you can connect your washing machine. I mean, for 1 bedroom, if your tenant is going to be existing here, they're going to be having a good place where they can be able to do their laundry. And if it's you who is staying here, this is quite ideal, ensuring that there's maximum use of space. And then on this side, you have the fridge area. So I want to take you to the bedrooms. Before I go, I want you to highlight one of the unique feature in terms of finishing. We have this cutting. So you can look at this brass cutting that is being used on all the walls around. So this is quite a good finish from the developer. And then you come onto this side, you'll be provided with your mirror and your sink area. So this serves the common washroom, which is shared. So you have your shared bathroom and with your guest area, so they can be doing their hand washing over here before having your meals. It comes with a smart mirror, and a good storage space here where you can have your medicine cabinet, and then you can have maybe your your shavers. You can have, because they have the socket here for your shavers, you can have your creams and everything on that side. And then you come here to the washroom. So you can look at how they position the door so that you can open outside to maximize the space that is inside. And then you have your water closet on this side, and they have not installed the shower cubicle, but it will be put here. It will be like a sliding door where you have your rain shower and an ample space where you can have your shower. Okay, and then you come to the bedroom space. This is a big space for a 1 bedroom because this fits a 5x6 bed over here. You're able to have your dressing table over here or a study desk if you prefer. You also can have a reading chair on this other side, and then they have the floor to ceiling kind of window setup where you get maximum lighting for this specific unit. And then on the other side, we have the wardrobe space here that comes with the unit. It is quite enough, so you can look, this is where you can be having your coats. And then on this other side also you have more storage space, also have on the top, and all this is yours. So the thing that we are showing you in this development is about the finishes. This developer, we were here when they were beginning, and we saw this as a render, like the renders that are going through right now on this screen. This is what we envision, and those people who believe in the dream are currently seeing the benefits and the fruits of this development. The development is being completed in September 2027. Remember, we have still few units remaining, so if you're interested, click on the link below and you'll be able to get in touch with us. And for those who are anticipating, at the end of the video, I have a very good project that you can jump in at an early stage to get the best of the units. So follow me as we go to the next show house. So if you are new here, we are talking about a developer that we started with when this was just a structure, and then we went to the excavation process, we went to the foundation laying, putting of the first pillars. We shared with you that time the renders and the layouts, and all you could see was a dream. And those people who buying the dream right now are benefiting for the appreciation, of course, in terms of price and capital appreciation, and they're just waiting till next year to start benefiting. So currently I am in a 2-bedroom, and I want to take you through, because this track record is evidence to you as a buyer that you can always buy off plan as long as you trust the developer, because in terms of finishes, it's what does matters. And actually off plan allows you to get a good price entry as compared to during when it's ready, or you can actually see it with your own eyes. So currently in this 2-bedroom, this is a 111 square meters of space. The good thing about the entrance is, as where I'm standing, you cannot be able to see the entrance because it is like an entrance foyer that gives you privacy, because from the entrance you're going to come and have this shoe rack on this other side. I believe you're going to be showing you as I continue speaking. And from this entrance you'll have your common washroom, which is tucked away in a very private space. You can have your common cloakroom, just a water closet, and your sink area for your guests. And then you come here where you'll be provided with a good dining space. You can have 4-seater, 6-seater, depending on your preference. And then it directs you to your kitchen space. So This kitchen space has two sides, just like the other one bedroom. You have your side here where you can have your double sink area, you have a kitchen counter over here, and then also counter space over here. Again, I want you to take a keen look at the granite finish. This is a complete granite finish countertop. All right, it's not the one that has split into two, or like the one that has split, but this one is a full granite countertop, meaning in terms of quality, I keep telling you, the developer is very keen in terms of the finishes and being keen to details. And then okay, you can see you have also your storage space here, just the same. You have the top and the bottom storage space, meaning that your kitchen, which is actually one of the most important things when you're selecting a unit, you get to have your 4-burner cooker, cold extractor, an oven, a space where you can have your microwave, and also space you can have your fridge area. And then the good thing about this 2-bedroom unit, the balcony, the laundry area is quite big. So all this you will be having to yourself as your laundry space. You can fit your washing machine, you can have the manual hanging lines where you can just pull them up and down whenever you need them, and this space is quite ideal for a family, or even for those who want to rent it out to a starting family. So here we have the living space. Again, here it's bigger than the 1-bedroom, because here you can fit more than a 4-seater. You can have, as is done here in the show house, so you can include an enclosed setup there, and then it directly leads you to the balcony space. So yeah, this balcony space is quite spacious, as you can look. So where you can be able to be enjoying your morning breakfast, all right, or your evening as you're winding down from work. And then look at the downlighters, just the same. In terms of finishes, this unit has been keenly done well, because this developer has been very keen. So I want you to even make a point. You can come set up a site visit with us. We come take you through these units. You can look at the finishes by yourself even before you even buy. You may not be buying to this project, you may not be buying to the one in Mudangari Drive, but you may be buying the one that is coming in Kilimani, because as I've said, it keeps getting better by every development. So this is your first bedroom. Again, all are en-suite. So when you come here, this is the first bedroom washroom. So you can have the bathroom on that side, you have your water closet, a mirror, a smart mirror, and your sink area. And then you come to the bedroom space. The 2-bedroom comes with this floor to height ceiling windows, so you can be able to have maximum lighting on this bedroom from that side to this side, and on a higher floor, like from the 3rd floor going up, this will be uninterrupted views all the way looking at Westlands. You also have the other block, you can look at the sides of Kilimani, Lavington, whichever sides you prefer. And the good thing about this again is the space. You can see this is like a 5x6 bed, and you also have the space on this side and the other side, as well as a dressing mirror on this side. Here we have the closet space. So this is actually quite ideal, because you have that side, you can also do it as your shoe rack, or you can be having it as your storage. You have this side like a his and hers setup, and also as well as this side. So again, I want to take you to the master bedroom. So here is your master bedroom. Once you come in, it's quite tucked in a way that it ensures that there's privacy, especially since the entrance is just right here. You have this as your bathroom space. Here we'll have a shower cubicle to ensure that you're going to enjoy your rain shower. This is your water closet. Look at the finishes when it comes to the sink area. And this is your medicine cabinet with a smart mirror, and you have your shaver socket on that side. And then come to this space. So this master bedroom is actually in a master setup, so you have all this space to yourself. The unit doesn't come with a balcony on the master bedroom, however it comes with this wall-to-wall kind of window setup that gives you maximum lighting. We had shared this in the beginning of this project when we were trying to show you the layers and the renders. So this is actually the final product. So this is windows providing you maximum lighting. Here you can have for your aeration, and on that side as well. This is a queen size bed, and you're able to have space in between this side and the other side. This is your closet space all the way till there, so you can have a mixture of a his and hers kind of setup. On this side, you also to be able to have your jewelry setup on this side, and also you have a space you can customize with your dressing mirror on this side. So I think I've come to the end of showing you this show house, this unveiling. I will ask you to just plan a visit with us. You can come, benefit to seeing the show house. It's free. Just come, view, look at the finishes that this developer has done, so you can be able to get accustomed to this developer, and we can be able to proceed to the other development that they are showing. And for those who are interested in the few units remaining, the number is always on the screen. Before I leave this video, I want to take you to the other project I was telling you about, just to give you a brief about it so we can be able to proceed and know what to expect. Okay, so come with me. So you've already seen what this developer is capable of, from land to now unveiling the show house. So if I take you to take a leap of faith into this new project, I know what I'm telling you right now. This is the best entry point. So let me give you a brief about this project. So this project is a serviced apartment consisting of 1 and 2 bedroom units. What do I mean by a service? Before you get me confused, I'm not meaning a furnished, because furnished apartments means someone puts furniture into your apartment. That's the Airbnb territory, I mean. But the service apartment means that your unit operates like a 5-star hotel. So in terms of cleaning, in terms of the gas, the Wi-Fi, all are inclusive into what you'll be paying, inclusive of the service charge. But as well, even in the units, they will be all serviced in terms of a hotel style. You have 24/7 concierge services, you have sauna, you have a swimming pool, you have a gym, you name it. You have all the amenities in this project. So this project is located in Kilimani along Nyangumi Road, just next to the Nigerian High Commission, and it is in a very good strip in Kilimani where the tenants are actually waiting for such a unit to come that will be outstanding, and it is one that you have not featured before. So when you talk about prices, the 1 bedroom sizing is between 59 and 66 square meters, and the pricing is starting from 9.4. And when you look at the 2 bedroom units, the price is starting from around 13.1, which is a good entry price because you're coming when we are on their land. So here I'm just going to give you a brief about this. I'll be doing another video when I talk about the numbers. I want to take you through this whole project so you can understand in depth the ROI, what it takes, what you're going to be offered, how is it going to work for you, and this new concept, because I can't do all that in this video. You've already seen much, and I want you to subscribe for that. But if you want to come in between right now, when it's still early, to have a specific and an exclusive overview of the project, the number is on the screen. So here are 2 things I want you to keep in mind before you leave this video. 1, if you have been sitting on the fence for these 2 projects in Westlands, we have very few units remaining on the side of Nyangumi, the 1 and 2 bedrooms. If you're looking for a family home, we have the 3 and 4 bedrooms available on this side, few units remaining, and you can come right now when the show house is there. You can see it for yourself and be able to invest in it. And number 2 is, if you are ready to join the new project, this is the time where you get the perfect entry price, where you can be able to get discounts and also get the best of the units. This is a very new concept, so if I were you, I will jump right in right now. The number is always on the screen. Subscribe, share, like, and come for a site visit. See you on the next video.